Okay, let's be honest. Who hasn't tried to grow something indoors, only to have it wither away or end up with a messy counter and a cheap, flimsy setup that just fails on you? You want that fresh basil or crisp lettuce, but traditional gardening is messy, takes up too much space, and those basic systems often feel like a waste of money, leaving you with dead plants and even deader dreams. I totally get that frustration. But what if I told you there's a system that truly changes the game? Meet the LetPot LPH Max. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy, it's a precision-crafted marvel that brings genuine smart gardening to your home. Seriously, it's the first system I've seen that actually handles automatic watering and nutrient supply, meaning your hands are completely free. You just fill it and it does the rest, monitoring water levels and feeding your plants automatically. No more guessing, no more forgetting. And with the dedicated app, you're setting up lighting schedules, checking on growth, and even getting updates from anywhere. It's like having a miniature, professional greenhouse right in your kitchen, managed right from your phone. And the growth speed? Wild. This thing uses a genuine 36-watt full-spectrum LED with 8 adjustable levels that truly mimics natural sunlight. We're talking up to 300% faster growth compared to soil methods. Think about that. Fresh produce even in the deepest, darkest winter. The app even gives you a plant encyclopedia and diary, so you're always learning and optimizing. It's built from imported stainless steel, not that flimsy plastic that cracks after a month, and the 7.5-liter water tank means you're set for up to 30 days of automatic watering. This is a robust system designed to last. Honestly, I've linked the exact model I'm using down below. It saves you from scrolling through a ton of knockoffs. So, is it worth the investment? Absolutely. You know those cheap alternatives that promise the world and deliver disappointment? This is the antithesis of that. This isn't just buying a gadget. It's buying consistent, vibrant growth, peace of mind, and the simple joy of having fresh, homegrown food at your fingertips year-round. It's about saving time, eliminating hassle, and genuinely elevating your home. You're not just getting a product, you're getting a commitment to your ongoing green success, with everything you need to start immediately and lifetime app upgrades. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.